Welcome back. It's now time for sports.
The Jamaica Football Federation are now on the hunt for a new head coach to guide the Reggae Boyz after Steve McLaren announced his resignation last night. This in the wake of the team's failure to secure automatic qualification for the 2026 FIFA World Cup finals. The 64-year-old Englishman made the revelation to the media immediately after the team's 0-0 draw in the last CONCACAF World Cup qualifier against Curacao at the National Stadium. The Reggae Boyz, who entered the game facing a must-win situation, struck the goal frame on 3 occasions and failed to score, which condemned them to a 6-team interconfederation playoffs in Mexico next March, while Curacao created history by securing their first ever World Cup finals appearance.
Leading this team really has been one of the greatest honours of my career. But football is a results business. And tonight we've fallen short of our goal, which was to qualify from this group. It is the responsibility of the leader, myself, to step forward, take accountability and make decisions in the best interest of the team for them to go forward. After deep reflection and an honest assessment of where we are and where we need to go, I have decided to step down as the head coach of the Jamaican national team.
McLaren was appointed head coach for the Reggae Boyz in August 2024. Now Curacao topped Group B of the qualifying round on 12 points, one more than Jamaica. Meanwhile, Jamaica will learn their pathway to the 2026 FIFA World Cup on Thursday morning when the draw for the Intercontinental Playoffs is made at 7 a.m. Jamaica time. Jamaica will be joined by 5 other teams in the playoffs: Suriname, Bolivia, Iraq, the DR Congo, and New Caledonia. The 2 highest-ranked teams in the November FIFA rankings, the DR Congo and Iraq, have received automatic byes to the finals of the Pathway 1 and Pathway 2 respectively. The remaining 4 teams will battle in semi-final ties. Now, the winner of each pathway will secure the final 2 spots in Pot 4 for the 2026 FIFA World Cup draw. Jamaica cannot face Suriname, the other CONCACAF representative in the playoffs. The Intercontinental Playoffs will be staged in Mexico during the March 2026 FIFA window, with Jamaica hoping to claim one of the last 2 tickets to the FIFA World Cup. Despite a top score of 109 from captain Shea Hope, the West Indies crashed to a 5-wicket defeat to New Zealand in their rain-affected second one-day international this morning in Napier. This as they lost the 3-match series 2-0 with 1 match remaining on Friday. For much of the rain-shortened 34 overs aside contest, the Caribbean side looked on track to keep the series alive. Captain Hope's brilliant 109 from just 69 balls carried the West Indies to a fighting total of 247 for 9, injecting real momentum after early setbacks. Now chasing 248 to win, New Zealand recovered from 194 for 5, still needing 54 runs from the final 29 deliveries to pull off the victory with 3 balls to spare. Devon Conway top scored for the host with 90. West Indies seam bowler Matthew Ford sought to take some positives from the defeat.
Looking at it from our positive point of view, kudos to Shea Hope today. He played a very brilliant innings. Second fastest to get to 6,000 runs for the West Indies. So, I really want to say well played to him. But, as a batting group, getting up to 250 on those kind of wickets, we look at that as a positive. Probably thought that, we got enough runs on the board, but obviously, the New Zealand is a very good side and probably number 1 or 2 in the world. So, playing against them is always going to be a challenge. And as they showed today, they were never out of the game.
Keon Reina reporting for TVJ Sports.
Thank you, Keon. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, good afternoon.